This video will show you how to jumpstart the battery on your CAT UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on CAT equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in CAT operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Shown here are some of the required tools for this task. If it is necessary to jumpstart your vehicle, do so only as a short-term solution. Be cautious of improper handling or connecting of a battery. This may result in serious injury, including acid burns, electrical burns, or blindness as a result of an explosion. Always remove rings and watches before completing this task. First, lift up the cargo box. Remove the toolless service panel with a quarter turn. Look for a battery cover or terminal boots and remove as necessary, while also inspecting for any signs of electrolyte leaks, loose terminals, or bulging sides. Leaking or bulging battery cases may indicate a frozen or shorted battery. Inspect the vehicle to be used for the jumpstart to determine if voltage and ground polarity are compatible. The vehicle must have a 12-volt DC negative ground electrical system. Move the vehicle close enough to ensure the jumper cables easily reach. Then set and lock the brakes, shut off all electrical accessories, and turn the ignition switch off. Attach one clamp of the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery, taking care not to touch any metal with the other clamp. Then attach the other clamp of the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Attach one clamp of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Then attach the other clamp of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the dead battery. Start the vehicle with the good battery and allow it to run for several minutes. After charge has been applied to the dead battery, start your UTV and allow it to run for several minutes before disconnecting the jumper cables. Remove the jumper cables in opposite order of hookup. Start with the black negative jumper cable that was hooked to the dead battery. Then, remove the black negative jumper cable that was hooked to the good battery. Next, remove the red positive jumper cable that was hooked to the good battery. Lastly, remove the red positive jumper cable that was hooked to the dead battery. To finish this process, place the toolless service panel back on the vehicle. This concludes the video on how to safely jumpstart the battery on your CAT UTV in order to avoid any injuries. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local participating CAT UTV dealer.